What is totalitarianism? Broadly construed, totalitarianism means rule by the law. It is often viewed as the opposite of democracy. As the opposite of democracy, totalitarianism is a form of government and a political system that prohibits all opposition parties, outlaws individual opposition to the state and its claims, and exercises an extremely high degree of control over public and private life. It is regarded as the most extreme and complete form of authoritarianism. Hence, in totalitarian states, political power is often held by autocrats, such as dictators and absolute monarchs, who employ all-encompassing campaigns in which propaganda is broadcast by state-controlled mass media in order to control the citizenry. It is important to note that the concept of totalitarianism emerged in response to certain political developments in Europe in the interwar years, especially the rise of Nazism and Stalinism. Also known as the state, a totalitarian government imposes a set of beliefs on its people who must conform or face unpleasant, and often violent consequences. This is called oppression. The state holds absolute power to maintain control over all areas in the lives of its citizens. The law does not apply to the state, and they ignore basic human rights. Below are some of the basic characteristics of a totalitarianism. 1. Individual freedoms or ownership of personal property is restricted or not permitted in any way. 2. Personal beliefs and faith in religion other than the ideals of the state is met with severe consequences. 3. Information or any form of media from outside the state is not permitted. The state only releases information that promotes its own point of view or political cause. Citizens are denied access to any information that can cause a revolt. 4. All legal traditions are discarded as the role of lawmaker is taken by the ruler. Police operate under the state's law. Decisions and judgments are passed according to the interpretations of the ruler. Fair and equal justice is denied. 5. Opposition to the state is punishable and considered evil. Large-scale organized violence is permitted by the state to force the people into conforming. 6. Limiting or withholding the supply of food to its citizens. The fear of starvation is a powerful strategy that reinforces the reliance of the people on the ruler for all their needs, therefore developing loyalty towards the ideals of the state. And 7. Social gatherings and traditions are banned. The state controls who people can visit and for what reason. This suppresses any community discussion and eliminates any forces of influence beyond the control of the state. As a result, the society becomes weakened.